We heard the rematch was in April the 8th in Germany, which somehow is just, I don't know what's going on with the rematch. I don't know whether Braehmer wants it, I'm not sure. But we've been in training hard since January, ready for the next opponent. Now Eddie is just trying to sort some bits and bobs out. We're hoping it's going to be Badou Jack, but whatever, any of the top guys, he's ready for the next step up to the next level.
Do you get a say in where exactly he fights? Because he's had to travel quite a bit recently, hasn't he?
Yeah, Nathan don't care where he fights, really. He'll fight anywhere. He's been in Liverpool, Germany, LA, Chicago. He'll fight anywhere, really. But Eddie sorts all that out, whatever makes the most sense.
Do you reckon that's too brave of him sometimes?
Nah, he loves it. You see him doing all the woo, all that stuff. So he loves it. He loves it, like in Chicago and Germany. He just thrives off it, to be honest. Fonfara is potentially could happen, yeah. It's definitely happen down the line if Fonfara keeps winning and Clevery keeps winning. Everyone loved it, fight of the year. Stupid amount of punches thrown, it was unreal, everyone loved it. So that possibly could happen eventually, but which Nathan's up for anything really. He'll fight any of the top guys, which he is obviously a top fighter.